gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a shoe rescue box from ThredUP. Alright guys, I have tried their mixed clothing rescue box and I really liked it. I thought it was a great box and I've always wanted to get one of these shoe rescue boxes, but they're never available. So when I went on their website, I just happened to see that they were available, so I got a mixed size one. This one was $90 for 15 pairs of shoes, and then I also got a one where you could select the size, so I selected my size in shoes and you get 5 pairs for $34. I don't have that one yet. This one is the one that has the 15 pairs with the mixed sizes. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay guys, so like I said, this is 15 pairs of shoes that are mixed sizes, so you don't know what sizes you're going to get and you don't know what kind of shoes you're going to get. It can literally be anything that is sold on ThredUP. So fingers crossed it's a good box for me. We'll have to see how it goes. Okay guys, I did slice the tape open, but I did not open the box, so I'm going to do that right now. Ooh, there's something on top. Okay. It just says it is a mixed rescue shoe box for 90 bucks. All right, that's cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. I knew that's what this one was because it is so heavy. There is no way it's the 5 pair one, right? Okay, so we have tissue wrapped up. Okay. All right, so we got some flip-flops. Tory Burch. So they're a name brand. Tory Burch flip-flops. They're cute. Oh, here we go. Size. Nope, made in China. I don't see a size, guys. Perhaps that's why they're in a rescue box. I don't know. They don't look like they're super huge, but I'm not really sure they'd be my size. But they are in good condition, so there's those. Awesome. All right, then we got these. These are a size 38. I don't know what size that is in the U.S. These are Jigsaw brand shoes. They're cute. These are cute. I don't know what a size 38 is. Let's think for a second here. I think a 37 is a size 6, so a 38 would be a size 7. I don't know, maybe. They're cute though. They're in really good shape. So yeah, there's those. We'll see what happens with those. Okay, cool. Now we got these ones. Adrian, I don't know. Here you go, guys. We'll try to zoom in on that. Hopefully you guys are seeing the name of the person here. These are, oh, they're size 6. But, you know, guys, they're not my style. But they're cute. So I will try them on for you. But, yeah, they're kind of beat up, though. This is a rescue box, guys. Keep that in mind. So you're not going to get things that are in top quality. These are things that they either couldn't sell or they wouldn't take to sell. One of those two things. So, I mean, I'm not mad that, you know, I'm getting things that could be slightly damaged. I don't know anything about this brand, you know, whatever. Let's see what happens with this. Okay. So, what do we have here? Pretty beat up, too. I don't know who that is, guys. Oh, my. What happened to these? Okay, so here's the brand right here. I mean, they're not bad. They're kind of cute if you're into this style. Here's the bottom that has the name on it as well. They definitely got some damage happening like right here. You guys see that, I'm sure. And then it goes on to the outside. You know, on the inside too. So whatever. Other than that, I mean, they're in okay shape. There's some like scuffs on the front here, but I can most likely get those off. Yeah, the other one, same situation. So I guess that's just where it wears off, where it was looped into this part right here, where it was looped in. I guess that's where it's just wearing off on there. Yeah, they're not in great shape, but again, it's a rescue box. Okay, there's those. All right, so we have a pair of boots. These are cute, huh? Cute, cute, cute. What are the... Oh, these are in great shape. Size 10. Who is a size 10? I can't think. Wow, these are, like, not worn. Wow. But it's probably a brand thing. That's why they wouldn't sell them on their site. I don't know. Where's the brand at? Okay, perhaps that's the problem. I can't find one. Alright, so I don't see a brand for this shoe, so maybe that's why they didn't want them. They're awfully cute though, a size 10. We'll see if somebody in my family can wear them. I think I have a couple of size 10s, so that's cool. All right. Size 39. I don't know. Body Central, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, they're like, you know, like this. They're okay. Whatever. I'm not excited about them, but okay, there's those. All right, what else do we got here? These are a pair, Isola. The outside isn't bad. They're a size 7.5. So, I mean, the outside of them is not bad. They're okay. I mean, that's a low heel, though. I'm not sure the height, but it's not very high. And what size did I say they are? Oh, they're 7.5. So, you know, not for me. Ooh, I just hit the camera. Awesome. Okay, what's this? These are cute. Blowfish Malibu. That's your brand right there, Blowfish Malibu. And here's what the shoe looks like. It's a cute little shoe. The heel's awfully low. 7.5 again. So, I mean, that's cool. Where's the other one of these? All right. Ooh, the other ones on the front, they're kind of beat up, but I do believe, I don't know if if I zoom in, if you guys are going to see that, but I do believe I can get that out. So, I mean, that's okay. Vince. Let me get you on the inside there. That's the name, brand of the shoe. Here's what they look like. You know, whatever. What size are these? I mean, I'm not excited about them, but maybe somebody would be. Why can't I find the size, guys? I mean, I shouldn't have to dig this hard. Okay, here we go. 37.5. Size 7 for 7 medium in the U.S. So, these are size 7 medium. Okay. Cool. Where's the other one? Did I pull 2 out and throw one? Sure hope I did. All right, so there's these. These are... is that a Fila logo? I don't know, guys. I don't wear these kinds of shoes. They're a size 39. You know, the condition is fine. They look like they would be, you know, comfy, but, you know, not for me. Okay, what is this? This is Jeffrey Campbell, Free People. Why can't I get a Jeffrey Campbell crazy shoe? I get these, you know, very average, normal shoes. That's not what I'm looking for. They're an 8.5, but they look like they're in really good shape. Aside from the inside, it's a little worn, but the outside is pretty good. So that's not bad. Okay, here's the other Vince shoe. So I do have 2 of them. That's cool. Alrighty, what is this? This is a Sperry topsider. I don't know anything about shoe brands, guys. I love shoes, but, you know. All right, so anyway, here's what they look like. These aren't bad. I mean, they're okay. So the soles are awesome. There's the bottom of the shoe. These are a 10. So I'm pretty sure somebody in my family might like to have these. We'll have to see. All right, I am not at all excited about this box. There's the other one of those other shoes I just showed you. Oh, there's the other one of those. Cool. All right, what's this? Super GA, size 38. Here's the brand. I don't know if that means anything to anybody, but here's the shoe. It's not bad. I mean, it's cute for what it is. Needs cleaned up around the sides, obviously. I do have a ton, and I do mean a ton of shoe cleaners, but their logo wore off the back. That kind of stinks. From Chic Shoes, they sent me a ton, and I mean a boatload of shoe cleaners, and they work really well. So, I mean, I'll try them on this shoe, but did I tell you size 38? So, that's these. I'm going to put them back in here because we're near the end. Montego Bay Club. Oh, can I get you their logo? There you go. These are cute, though. Just definitely, you know, not for me. Size 5. They might fit, but, you know, just not my style. And the last thing, we got a pair of Nikes. Nike Revolution 2. So we have a pair of Nike Revolution 2 tennis shoes here. So what's the size? 8. A size 8. So, I mean, those aren't bad. Somebody who's a size 8 that would, you know, wear these. It's not me. Alright guys, let me go ahead and count and make sure that I got 15 pairs of shoes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did indeed get 15 pairs of shoes in the box. I've seen people unbox these rescue shoe boxes and they get some really awesome things in their box. I mean, the Nikes were nice. I don't know if they're current Nikes because I don't wear Nike shoes because they mainly make tennis shoes. I don't know. They start making heels. If they do, I'll buy some for sure. As long as they're at least 6 inches. But nonetheless, overall, I'm not super excited about the box, mainly because none of the shoes are my style. So I'm sure there's some pairs of shoes in here that people are like, oh, those are awesome. That's a great shoe, whatever. I have to do some research. I have to do some serious cleaning on some of these shoes. I will definitely find them all homes and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that was what I got in my rescue shoe box. I do have another one of these coming where it is specifically a size 6. I get 5 pairs of shoes in the box, so I don't have that one yet. As soon as I get it, obviously I will film it and share with you guys what I got in that one. Hopefully it's better. Hopefully it's like, you know, my style. At least one pair is my style. You just don't know what you're going to get in these things. They're 100% a gamble. And, you know, there could be damaged and things like that. It's a rescue box. So you're rescuing these shoes. You can't really expect top quality, awesome stuff. But I've seen people get some really great things in these boxes. All right, guys, if anybody's interested in getting a ThredUP goodie, it's not a goodie box, a ThredUP rescue box, I will have a link in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you... What do I have? Let me look it up. You guys know that I love ThredUP, but when I shop on there for shoes, it's been a really... How do I want to say this? I don't want to start this video. Hold on. You guys know that I love shopping on ThredUP for things like rescue boxes, and I... Normally, that I can't spit it out. All right, hold on. What's up? I didn't like it. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a shoe, or rescue shoe, but it doesn't matter. Either way, it's fine. You guys know that I love getting the rescue boxes from, well, mystery boxes. That's what I was trying to say. And on this video, I have for you a rescue shoe box from ThredUP. I like saying shoe rescue box better. One more time. All right, guys. I have had really good luck with the ThredUP shoe. Not the ThredUP shoe. This is the first time I got one. That's it again. Yeah. Oh, I'm taping. Awesome. And obviously not all of them are my size, but hopefully the size 6 thing, what is it, 6 bucks. I'll try it again. Overall, I wasn't super excited about any of the shoes just because they're not my style. I mean, there might be something in here that hold on. Okay, guys, so yep. Hold on.